Assalamualaikum sir, myself Mohammad Mushfiqur Rahman and my bearing ID is 181151082. So my project topic is smart light. So why it is called smart light? It is called smart light because it will work smartly. The light don't need any on-off switch. It will work automatically as per the sensor. So I will show you how it will work. So here in the diagram we see this is Arduino and this is a breadboard and this is our peer sensor and this is photoresistor which is also called light sensor, and this is resistor and this is relay and this is the power supply and this is our light. You can see here this is a peer sensor. So how a peer sensor work? A peer sensor has its own target area. So when a people come into the room and enter into the area of the peer sensor, the peer sensor will detect the temperature of the body and it will put the signal to the Arduino. We also here see a photoresistor which is also called a light sensor. This actually measure the presence of light. Our project is smart light. So in the daylight we don't need the light. So in the daytime we don't need the light. The light sensor will work to prevent the light on in the daylight. So we see here this is a photoresistor or the light sensor is an analog system. So it will connect with the analog input, and this is the 5 volt line and this is the ground line and this is called relay. The relay helps us to take the result from the sensor and show the results. And we see here this is the power supply and this is the light bulb. So this is the peer sensor and this is our target. Let's assume this is a people. So this is the target area of the peer sensor, and when a people come into the range of the peer sensor, the light will on automatically. So when it's go out of the target area of the peer sensor, the light will automatically off. So by this way, this is work. Here is the code of the smart light project. These are the input pin mode and pin 8 is the output. So light sensor is an analog device. So it will go with the analog. Analog it means it will take the input in analog mode. So that's why it will connect to the analog A0. And pitch sensor is a digital sensor. So it will take the input by digital read, and the input port is 2. We see here 2. Here you can see the pitch sensor and this is the input port. And now relay output value. Actually relay helps us to give us the output result. So that's why this is the port number is 8. So we can see here this is the port 8. So here is the main condition. If light sensor value less than 600 and if pitch sensor value equal high, then the digital write the output in the port 8 will be high and the light will 1 and the light will be 1 and it will delay 3000 millisecond. Else if this not work, else digital write 8 output and it will show low. That means it will off the light. So this is our smart light project. Thank you sir. Assalamu alaikum.